ஒரு கதை சொல்லட்டா சார்?
Hello, my name is Soundarajan. I'm an educator, entertainer, and a storyteller. And welcome to Soundar Speaks Kuti Story number 9. How many of you find opportunity in the crisis? Especially people who are winners always find an opportunity in terms of crisis because there are only few people who can do it. Not even 1% to be specific. The story about today is focusing on opportunity in the crisis. Now, in older times, there was a king who was very good hearted and has been running a good kingdom, and people were happy and everybody was wealthy. But the only thing is, was that the king was a bit short tempered, and one more thing is that he was not having one eye and one leg. So he was taking a walk in his palace, and his ancestor, grandfather, father's portrait was displayed in the palace gallery. And he was having a look at it, and suddenly he realized that what kind of portrait will he have, because he was nearly about 68 to 70 years old, and he was thinking about it, that what kind of portrait will it be there in the palace of him, because especially he was kind of not happy with his one eye and one leg not being there. So he came back to his ministers and told that because I'm here and I don't know what kind of portrait will be placed once I die, so I want to make a portrait of me while I'm there. Please announce in the country that if anybody makes a portrait of me and show me, I'll give them, shower them with all the prizes. So there was announcement made in the entire country, but because of his short temper, a lot of artists were skeptical that if they paint something wrong, and especially with the one eye and one leg not being there, the kind of portrait they want to or they will make, the king should not be upset, because there may be an opportunity that they'll be hanged. So nobody came in forward, in front of the ministers to make this portrait. One young man, about 18 to 20 years, was training under making a portrait, and he came forward to the ministers and said that I will make a portrait of king. Give me 7 days and I'll come back to you. The king was happy that somewhere the young generation of the country is taking a step forward, and was waiting for his portrait to come in. Now, after 7 days, the portrait was displayed in the palace, and everybody, also common people of the country, also gathered to see the painting, that how this painting is made specially of king. So a portrait was displayed in the palace, and it was opened, and everybody was surprised, and the king was so happy seeing it, that he showered the young man with a position in the ministry and a prize and a small palace. Imagine what kind of portrait that young man must have displayed, that he received such prizes. Now he showed this painting, and he showed the king in such a way that his one eye and one leg is not shown as something which is missing. If you see the painting now, you will see that one eye is as if he's aiming an arrow. Because of his eye not being there, it's not displayed, because when you aim an arrow, you automatically close one eye, and he's riding a horse of one leg not being displayed because the legs are hanging in the horse. So the entire painting was so magical. One eye and one leg not being there is not at all visible in the painting, but moreover, this was the best painting out of all the paintings in the gallery. Now, what did you learn from the story is that that young man created an opportunity of the crisis and became that one person out of 1,000 artists, and received the rewards and the recognition, which could have been taken about 20 years for him to gain. That's the out of box thinking. That's the thinking you should have, especially during this crisis, that there may be opportunity in and around you. People may be saying that there are, XYZ, all opportunities are lost, but if you keep your eyes and ears open, there are and there will be opportunities in and around you. You just need to look around and create an opportunity in the crisis. Thank you so much for watching Sounder Speaks. Keep watching and liking, subscribe the channel Sounder Speaks, and I will be sharing such motivational stories for you. And once again, have a nice day. See ya.